Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming hardware and account access. Plug in or test your microphone and speakers, then set them as the default in your operating system. Once done, install and sign into the calling app you picked, Zoom, Teams, or Skype, because the account links your contacts and permissions. Make sure your internet speed meets basic calling needs and quit any file transfers or streaming that could steal bandwidth. This reduces echo and dropouts while you begin the call. You now initiate the conversation. Open the app and allow microphone and camera access so the software can connect. Once inside, pick a contact or use the dial pad to enter a number. Decide whether you need video, because video increases bandwidth and can affect quality. Before you call, check input and output volume levels and enable noise suppression or echo cancellation if the option exists. This ensures clear speech and keeps background sounds from distracting the other person during the call. You finish strong by managing the live session and completing it properly. Use mute when you're not speaking to cut background noise, and switch to a wired headset or different output if audio drops. This often resolves intermittent problems. Share your screen or files when needed, but keep privacy in mind. When done, end the call so the app frees the microphone. If problems persist, restart the application, test another headset, and confirm your firewall or corporate network isn't blocking VoIP ports as a key troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.